Welcome to my channel everyone. Good evening. Hi Philippines and hi mga friends. Thank you sa pag-follow. My mother's birthday. She's 67 years old and with her family without me. So thank you for watching everyone, and then thank you so much. Happy birthday to my mother dear in the earth. Thank you very much. Thank you sa kabaitan mo, mother. I hope na si Lord na magbigay ng good health sa iyo and long life, many more birthdays to come. God bless us all. Thank you.
To you,
Nay!
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kanta tro. Kanta pa. Ay, hindi ka kaon. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Ayak
you.
na, Nay! Wish na, Nay! Uy, pagmasa! Kanang itom!
Pandit.
Kanang itom!
Luna,
Bulan na nga, Nay!
Luna kanto.
Wish mo na, wish ka! Uy, tindog! Sabi yung wish, out!
Sige na.
Wish, makalubo na si Papa! Makamadyo!
Tagan mi o kwarta, karong adlaw na makagawa sa panaydo.
Yan, wala!
Kanta na! Happy birthday to you! Happy
Yeah.
birthday to